All right, going to be taking a look at another hot one right now. It's going to be AMMX, currently traded at 0072. You guys are going to have a little bit of a gap. I just want to point that out. It's going to be at the 0070. I'm not too sure exactly what's going on. This one's definitely getting a lot of attention right now. Only 76,000 shares traded. Which isn't too high, but apparently when you look at this one from a whole, you guys get some volume in here. This thing will rock and roll. It's definitely picking up in the buzz cloud, especially after coming off of this low here. That is why I'm doing this video right now. I want you guys to keep an eye on this one. It has records of making, or history rather, not records, history of making big moves. So keep that in mind. We aren't going to go too much into really high, really low, different levels as far as support and resistance go, but I'm going to tell you to what you need to watch for. The first thing you're going to want to watch for is going to be that buying to pick up. And let me kind of tell you why. The biggest thing is the fact that you guys are really set up for a move. As far as the technical analysis goes, it's set up for a nice move, but there is a gap here. Okay, that gap is down there. As always, for everybody that watches the videos that we do, you guys know I'm really big on gaps, and I'm making sure that they fill before they move, because they end up filling either right before, like right now you might think it's set up, you're like, oh, this is perfect, but then boom, it drops and then it goes. You freak out when it sells, or it drops and you sell, and then boom, it takes off right after, and you're like, what the heck did I just miss? That's what the gap ups. That's what that is. Okay, so I'm gonna put in here, watch for the gap to fill. This gap right here, see that big gap in the price? Okay, watch it for the gap to fill. I'm going to put in here 0069 and then to 71. Okay, I just want to have that on the record. Chart is set up, and we'll need so that right there, the resistance levels coming off of this is going to be up there. It is. It's going to be up there around the 7 mark. That's actually going to be your support. Maybe that 7.5. Around that 7.5 going back towards there. Okay, so the resistance is going to be at 0075 and, of course, 008 following off of that. Your support. I'm going to put in here one more time. 007 will need to hold to remain bullish. All right. If the opportunity was there where you could scoop up some 70s or even a little bit lower, that would probably be perfect in my personal opinion. But that's going to be ultimately up to you. But this is what we do over here on InvestorsHangout.com. We come over here and we analyze these stocks. Normally, Joe's here to go through the stocks with us and tell us a little bit about the company or whatnot. So if you're interested in learning a little bit more about the company and have us, do a full DD, make sure you go ahead and leave a comment below. We'd appreciate that. And as always, make sure you hit that like and subscribe if you feel that this video helped you in any way, and share this video with others. We'd appreciate it. If you have a hot stock other than AMMX that you would like to see us go over, head over to InvestorsHangout.com/live.